Some folks say the best RVing experiences happen when you head south, but if you're looking for true luxury on the road, you'll want to point north, specifically to the Jayco North Point. This full profile fifth wheel is built to be more than just an RV. It's a rolling luxury home, loaded with high-end features, premium construction, and top-tier performance. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into what makes the North Point one of the most luxurious fifth wheels in its class. We'll start with the interior, move to the exterior, talk about its rock-solid construction, then wrap up with towing recommendations. So buckle up, because this one is going to be good. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a kitchen that puts most residential setups to shame. The modern farmhouse interior is a showstopper with handcrafted glazed cabinet doors and drawer fronts that feature hidden hinges and magnetic catches. The dovetail jointed drawers with soft close full extension guides can handle up to an impressive 75 pounds. So go ahead and load them up with heavy cookware. At the heart of it all is the massive GE 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator backed by an 1800 watt inverter to keep everything running smoothly. Prefer a 12 volt setup? You can swap it out for a 20 cubic foot 12 volt fridge instead. The solid surface countertops provide plenty of prep space, especially with the large kitchen island and its flip-up countertop extension. Need more? A pull-out cutting board above the trash can adds extra functionality without taking up additional space. And this kitchen isn't just big, it's fully loaded. The multi-function stainless steel sink with a matte black faucet and pull-out sprayer makes cleaning up a breeze. A built-in glass rinser means no more struggling to scrub out coffee stains, and the GE Profile Series 30-inch residential convection microwave oven with built-in air fryer ensures your meals come out perfect every time. The 24-inch 4-burner residential range gives you even more cooking flexibility, and select North Point models even include a built-in spice rack to keep your seasonings organized. Full-length pantry with adjustable shelves and pull-out drawers? Yup, that's here too. And because you could never have too many, Jayco made sure to include extra power outlets throughout the kitchen for all of your additional gadgets. After a good meal, it's time to kick back and relax in the living area. Every North Point comes with theater seats featuring removable TV trays, so whether you're snacking, working, or just lounging, you'll be nice and comfortable. A tri-fold sofa with the flip-up tabletop storage gives you more flexibility, and some models even include a second tri-fold sofa for extra sleeping space. The pull-out roll-top dinette is another great feature, with 2 freestanding chairs and 2 fold-up chairs for when guests decide to visit. Style meets function with stain-protected fabrics, LED accent lighting above the solid hardwood slide fascia, and pendant lighting in the kitchen. The wireless remote-controlled dimmable LED ceiling lights let you set the perfect mood, and when it comes to keeping things comfortable, the Helix cooling system ensures whisper-quiet, high-efficiency climate control. This system includes 2 15,000 BTU whisper-quiet ACs with an optional third unit, insulated dual ducts for better airflow, larger return vents with accessible filters, and directional and closable AC vents. Need heat instead? The 40,000 BTU furnace distributes warmth efficiently through a zero floor vent system, which means no dirt, pet hair, or debris getting stuck in the floor vents. Privacy roller shades help with temperature control, and the ceiling fan in most models keeps air circulating. Entertainment in a North Point is next level with a 50-inch 4K smart LED TV, an upgraded JBL sound system, and a wireless subwoofer with external bass control. The JBL soundbar is fully wired via HDMI, delivering crisp, clear audio whether you're watching a movie or blasting your favorite playlist. Satellite and cable hookups come standard, along with the 5G Wi-Fi extender for strong internet wherever you go. And yes, there's a 32-inch 4K smart TV in the bedroom, because luxury shouldn't stop in the living area. Speaking of the bedroom, this space is designed for ultimate comfort. Every North Point includes a residential king bed and a slide, dressed with a quilted bedspread and pillow shams. If you prefer a queen bed, that's an option too. The bedroom is CPAP prepped with outlets and storage designed specifically for sleep apnea machines. Storage is everywhere, with a front cap wardrobe featuring built-in drawers, mirrored sliding doors, and washer-dryer prep. Some models even include a built-in laundry hamper to keep things nice and tidy. There's also a large dresser with flip-up hidden storage, and under the bed, gas strutted storage makes it easy to access extra blankets and linens. A security switch in the bedroom lets you monitor your surroundings at night via a wireless 7-inch monitor, just in case some curious raccoons decide to check out your campsite. All right, now let's step into the bathroom. A residential walk-in shower with high-gloss surround, built-in shampoo holder, and a teak seat makes showering feel like a spa experience. The LED backlit mirror above the solid surface vanity is another luxury touch, and the porcelain toilet adds a level of durability that plastic just can't match. The Nuvo H2O whole house water treatment system ensures clean water for drinking, showering, and ice making. And if you never want to run out of hot water, you can opt for the Truma on-demand hot water system instead of the standard 16-gallon gas-electric DSI water heater. Outside, the North Point is just as impressive. The MORryde step-above entry steps with strut assist make getting in and out effortless, and the safety rail grab handle adds stability. Dual power awnings with RGB LED lighting let you change the mood outside, whether you want soft lighting or want to switch over to party mode. Storage is massive, with pass-through compartments featuring oversized baggage doors and slam latches. The J-Command Smart RV system lets you control auto leveling, lighting, and climate from your phone or tablet. The 5-star handling package ensures a smooth ride with Dexter axles, MORryde suspension, and Uniroyal 16-ply tires. The Overlander 2 solar package comes standard, including two 200-watt panels, a 30-amp controller, and an 1800-watt inverter. If you want more off-grid power, you can actually upgrade to the Overland 4 or EXT package, which includes up to 6 solar panels, lithium batteries, and a 3,000-watt inverter plus generator prep. When it comes to towing, the North Point is not a small fifth wheel. Models range from 36 to nearly 44 feet, with dry weights from 13,000 to over 16,000 pounds. As such, you're going to want a 3/4 or 1-ton truck, like the Ford F-250 Super Duty, Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, or Ram 2500. For maximum stability, a Ford F-350 or Chevy Silverado 3500 is going to be ideal. If you're unsure about your truck's towing capacity, stop by Camping World and let them check for you. While you're there, step inside the Jayco North Point, because once you do, it'll be hard to settle for anything less. Happy camping.